Yes. The reason why I want to teach this part of chemistry is because of the comment someone commented that this is what is a challenge to him. So let us do it together to help each other so that the teaching can flow. If you don't understand the symbols we are using here, it's difficult for you to follow us because we are moving higher. We are going to next level now. I want to do it fast. Listen now. The chemical symbol was given by a man called Basilus. Basilus. He was the first person to use these symbols. He brought the idea so that it will be easy for scientists to do things fast. And then in the IUPAC, the agreement by the IUPAC, the IUPAC simply means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So this is agreed internationally. These symbols are used as we use it here in Akwanga. That's how it is used in Enugu. That's how it is used in Zamfara. That's how it is used in China. That's how it is used in Brazil. That's how it is used in any part of the world. So that we are one and then we speak the same language. So when you write H, we in Akwanga know what you are saying. If I write MG, somebody in China knows what I'm saying because in the science we have one language, and this is what connects us together. The chemical symbol by idea came from a man called Basilus. I said I'll keep on calling their names so that you'll be challenged. If your name is Mr. Okonkwo, be a challenge so that your name will come out in the world as that Okonkwo was somebody who did something. If your name is Danjuma, do something so that your name will remain forever even when you go. Likewise, as I've called Basilus today. In the last class, I called Democritus. I called John Dalton. I called Rutherford. Today, I've called a man called Basilus. So now in chemistry we use some symbols in chemistry representing elements are gotten by using the first letter of their name. So when I write H in chemistry, it represents hydrogen. Whenever you see me writing H, whenever I write it, it means hydrogen. Because we pick the H, we pick this H from this letter, this hydrogen. Likewise, if I write B in chemistry, it represents the element boron. It is picked from the first letter, boron. So these elements I'm writing now are those elements picked from their first letter, boron, B. Now, if I write C in chemistry, it's picked from carbon, carbon. Then if I write N in chemistry, it's from nitrogen, nitrogen. If I write F in chemistry, it's from fluorine, fluorine, F. If I write O, it means oxygen, oxygen. If I write S, it means sulfur, sulfur. These are the elements that scientists picked from their first letter. H, nitrogen. B, boron. C, carbon. N, nitrogen. F, fluorine. O, oxygen. S, sulfur. P, phosphorus. Phosphorus. I hope you are following now. Even if you don't do science, this is the secret. And this is agreed worldwide, internationally. This is how it is written. Any place you are, right in Anambra, Onisha, this is how it is written. Whether you are far, far away in Canada, this is how it is written. If you write like this, we understand each other. So, but now, this is the first letter. Now, some are picked. Two letters are picked from their name because there's no way we double their names. Like this letter now, this very one now, C, A, calcium. Because already I have used C already. I will not use C alone for calcium. Scientists agree. Let us use Ca for calcium. Now, magnesium, capital letter, small one follow, magnesium. We have two letters picked. Chlorine, Cl, chlorine. Because already I have C already. I cannot put C alone there. Cl, chlorine, chlorine. Then I have lithium, Li, lithium. Be, beryllium. Beryllium. Si, silicon. Si, silicon. These are some of the elements gotten by picking the first letter and the second letter or a letter inside. Like magnesium is picked G, not Ma, Mg. Cl, chlorine. Li, lithium. Be, beryllium. Si, silicon. Then some other elements are picked from Latin. They are Latin name. All these are agreement by the scientists. Are you back? Okay, so these ones are from the Latin. They are Latin language. They are Latin words. Latin now. Attention now. Now, we have the one called natrium. Natrium, see, this is natrium. Natrium. This is Latin. Then we pick the name from the natrium. This natrium is sodium. In English, natrium is sodium. So now their its own symbol is come from Latin. That's why we write it like this, Na. So when we now say sodium and you go and write Sd, no person understand what you're saying. You are off because it is from Latin language. Another one is kalium. Kalium. This one is picked from, this is potassium. Is K that we pick it. Kalium. Ferrum. Ferrum. Because today you saw me writing Fe. I say iron 2. I say Fe, iron 3, and you're confused. It's from Latin language. Ferrum. And that ferrum is Fe, iron. Ferrum is iron in Latin language. Ferrum, iron. And that one is coprum. 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 Picked from Latin. Translate so its own letter is from Latin. This is copper. English, copper. Latin, coprum. So pick it from here now. Cu. So when you see Cu, it means copper. It's from Latin. Coprum. Otherwise, aurum. Aurum. This is Latin. Aurum. Aurum. This aurum is in English gold. Gold. So we write Au as gold. When you see Au, it's gold. So you're wondering, why not use G? It's agreement. Agreement by scientists. So if you go somewhere and say, want to buy aurum, they know what you mean. You mean you want to buy gold. Gold. Another one is argentum. 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 Argentum means silver. So it's picked Ag. So if I say silver Ag, be confused. Because you are not trained in the area, but now you are receiving the training now. Why it is called Ag? Why is silver written Ag, not Si? It's agreement. He picked from Latin. Argentum, Ag. So we continue from this, and I have made you now to go deeper to study the symbols. The symbols will help you to follow chemistry effectively and efficiently. Without the symbols, you'll be cut off. Thank you very much. For the question you asked me, I'm very happy. I think I've answered the question. You that asked the question, I've done my best now. You decide, my work is to help you grow. And then you grow by researching more. You have to increase more. There are some other elements I did not mention here because of time. We have some elements like cadmium, we have lead, we have aluminium. I did not mention all these ones. So you have to go, but I have given you the idea. So when you are reading it, it will be easy for you. If you don't read, you'll be cut off. Thank you.